District Governor Ashit Mittal, District Trainer 12-13, past Governor Mukesh and Semi, District Councillors, past Governor M.L. Agarwal ji and past Governor Ashok Ghosh ji, senior colleagues from the Council of Governors and the charming hands, meet Chairman, past President Alok Gupta and Shivani, Host Club President Neeraj Singhal, district team members, and the most important, incoming club presidents and their charming hand. Good afternoon to all of you. Nanda joins me in extending a personal and a sincere welcome to each one of you present here on this special day as this President's-elect meet one Samagam, the conference. Friends, yes, it is a truly a special day for all of us, you as well as me, as we bask in the presence of our illustrious Council of Governors and our past presidents of this great district, 3010. Friends, as we prepare to steer the leadership of our clubs, there could not be any other day than today, a day so special to welcome and celebrate the beginning of the new year 2012. As we prepare for our journey together, let us resolve to ourselves and our clubs. Let us not wait for tomorrow or the future. Let us resolve today and write a history for tomorrow when each one of you serves as the president of your esteemed clubs. Friends, let us resolve and say that this is the year that I will commit myself to Rotary fully, freely and absolutely, and shall do what must be done and shall not let my club down. Friends, let us not simply say that I will do my best, as our very best may not be simply enough. Let us take a pledge and say that this is the year that I will put my whole self and my whole self and whole soul into service of self. Nanda and I are truly overwhelmed by the welcome, warmth, compassion and the best wishes extended to us as we leave for the International Assembly at San Diego on 10th January. Friends, we shall be carrying the good wishes and the goodwill messages from every Rotarian of this district 3010 to our incoming RI President Sakoji Chanaka and his better half Kyoko Chanaka. And we will be telling them that every incoming club leader is steering very well for the next year and will leave no stone unturned to make the incoming year truly memorable and a grand success. And we will also be telling them that the District 3010 stands fully behind them in all their noble endeavors. Friends, 31st December was the last day for the formation of a new board or a new team who will be working closely, hand in hand with you next year. And I am sure by this time your incoming board is in place. As incoming club leaders, you must understand that the nature of the relationship between you and the members of your team is different from that between you and your employees. It is certainly not the relationship between a boss and subordinates, but it is the relationship between a leader and some other leaders. Friends, I believe that your leadership style must be participative and supportive. And one of your main responsibilities is to encourage your club members at all levels to participate in decision making, goal setting, and group activities. It is important that Rotarians in your club identify themselves with your club goals. If they don't, you can never achieve their full efforts in achieving your goals. Friends, it is my proud privilege to inform you that our District 3010 is preparing very well for the next year. As you all know, President-elect training seminar has been scheduled at Hotel Marriott, Jaipur from 6 to 8 April. And I am extremely pleased to share with you that over 100 Presidents-elect for the first time in the history of 3010 have registered for this event. And I request those who have not yet registered to do the same as soon as possible, because it is mandatory for every incoming club president to attend the seminar to be able to assume the office of his club president next year. And there will be no relaxation on that. The SETS Secretaries Elect Training Seminar has been planned on 28-29 April at JW Marriott, Chandigarh, and I request each one of you to reach out to your incoming club secretaries and request them to attend this seminar, because it will help them in a big way to discharge their responsibilities more effectively and efficiently. And please tell them to register by 8th of January, because we need to book their seats in Shatabdi, and that needs to be done at least 3 months in advance. I am also pleased to share with you that for the first time in District 3010, we are organizing a district core team training seminar, and that is taking place on 3rd and 4th of March at Tarudhan Golf Resorts. And it is again mandatory for incoming assistant governors, incoming district directors, important committee chair to attend this seminar. And for others, we have planned district team training seminar on 10th March at Hotel Radisson. Friends, one of the most important events in our District 3010 is the District Assembly. And I am pleased to announce that the District Assembly 2012 has been planned for 21st May at Hotel Ashoka, This is going to be a day-long program, and I request each one of you to block this date and reach out to your club president and tell him to demarcate certain amount for the registration for your team members. Friends, Nanda joins me in extending our sincere thanks and gratitude to the Rotary Club of Ghaziabad Shatabdi and past President Alok Gupta for hosting this event with a great passion. It is only because of the untiring efforts and of Alok that Alok It is only because of the untiring efforts and the enthusiasm of past President Alok Gupta that this event has turned out to be a grand success and a memorable one. I thank from the core of my heart Ghaziabad Shatabdi and Alok Gupta for hosting this event. I am indeed obliged. दोस्तों, रोटरी लीडर्स के रूप में हमें तब तक काम करते रहना है जब तक रोटरी का कोई महत्व ही न रह जाए। सेवा के प्रत्येक कार्य का लक्ष्य होता है कि हम लोगों की जरूरतें पूरी करें, तब तक जब तक कोई भी जरूरत बाकी न रह जाए। और दोस्तों, जब तक वो दिन नहीं आता है, हमें अपने हाथों से, हमें अपने दिल से सेवा में लगे रहना है। दोस्तों, आपके एफर्ट से और आपके क्लब के एफर्ट से हम रोटरी के लिए एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण योगदान कर सकते हैं और रोटरी का जादू कायम रख सकते हैं। मैं आप लोगों से आह्वान करता हूं कि आप बाहर निकलें और ऐसा काम ढूंढें जिससे कि रोटरी की छवि और उभरे, रोटरी का नाम हो और रोटरी के इतिहास में एक नया अध्याय जुड़े। दोस्तों, आप खुद से परे उस रोशनी को देखें जो एक बच्चे के चेहरे पे है जो अब पढ़ लिख सकता है, या उस खुशी को जो एक मां की आंखों में है कि जिनके बच्चे आज कुछ खा पाएंगे, या फिर उस वृद्ध को जिसे छत की जरूरत है, या फिर उस युवा को जिसे वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग चाहिए। और ये लोग जो आपके क्लब के माध्यम से ये सब चीजें संपन्न करा पाते हैं। दोस्तों, आप उन प्रभावी लोगों को देखें, दुनिया भर के लोगों को जिनके जीवन में रोटरी के माध्यम से एक बहुत बड़ा परिवर्तन आया है। दोस्तों, मैं आप सबको आह्वान करना चाहूंगा कि आप अपना प्रकाश जारी रखिए, रोशनी फैलाते रहें, जिससे कि एक आम आदमी अपनी दिनचर्या की, रोजमर्रा की कठिनाइयों से परे एक उज्जवल भविष्य, एक अच्छा कल का सपना देख सके और आशा कर सके। मैं अंत में डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3120 के पास गवर्नर गिरिराज शरण की इन पंक्तियों के साथ विराम लेना चाहूंगा। आज तक जीते रहे हो अपनी अपनी जिंदगी। दोस्तों, एक दूसरे की जिंदगी बन के जियो। ओस की बूंदों में ढलकर तुम अगर बिखरे तो क्या, दूर तक बहती हुई शीतल नदी बनकर जियो। धूप बनकर फैल जाओ, धूप बनकर फैल जाओ, चांदनी बनकर जियो। खूब अंधेरा छा न जाए, रोशनी बनकर जियो। थैंक यू so much and I wish you all a very, very happy new year. Thank you.